In this moment, find a comfortable position and let your eyes close. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Feel the surface beneath you, solid, steady, supporting every part of you without asking anything in return. You don't have to do anything yet. Just arrive here, grounded in this moment, in this body. Notice the weight of your hands, the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the quiet rhythm already moving through you. Take a deeper breath now. Inhale slowly, hold for just a moment, and exhale fully, letting any tension soften and fall away. You are here. That is enough for today. As you settle in, sense the energy beginning to stir from that grounded place. Not urgency, not pressure, just a quiet readiness. You might begin to feel it in your hands, a gentle warmth, a soft aliveness. Let it expand through your arms, across your chest, down through your legs. You are allowed to move through this day as yourself, fully, without apology. With each breath, something in you is orienting, finding its direction, settling into purpose. You don't need to figure everything out right now. Your body already knows how to carry you forward. Notice that you are capable. Notice that you have shown up for yourself right here. That matters. Take one more full breath in. Feel your chest lift, your shoulders open, and as you exhale, let a quiet sense of readiness move through you. Slowly begin to return. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders gently. Let your eyes open in your own time. You've already grounded yourself in something real today. Carry it with you.